What's going on, guys? We have this question right here. It's asking to find f mg sin theta, ff max, and f cos theta r. So let's see how we can find this one. So first of all, we have to begin somewhere. So let's begin with this angle right here. So this is phi. So if I take tan phi is going to be equal to opposite over adjacent. In this case, opposite is n mu s. Why it is an n mu s? Because the friction force is going to be in this direction, like it's making with the object right here. So I brought the same things to make a triangle right here, so it's easy to solve. So it's going to be n mu s over, this is the normal force acting on it, acting on this object. So let's say that's going to be n. So that's my adjacent. So if we take this one, we can cancel n and n. We have mu s already. So we can calculate this phi. Phi is going to be equal to tan inverse mu s. So tan inverse mu s, that comes out to be tan inverse, we know mu s is 0.35. So if we calculate, we will get 19.29 degree. So this is the angle that's making with the reaction force. So let's see what we can find out from this. Also, we have this triangle right here. Maybe I can use this. So we know this 25 degree. I can use this one to calculate this F and R, because we know mg is 100 Newton. So this triangle is basically this F is on the top, that's horizontal force, and mg is straightly vertical, so it's going to be straight vertical, and R making the reaction force. So these are the three things I used to make this triangle. So from this one we know F already, and if we know phi, then we know the theta, because that's 25. So if it's theta is 25, then theta plus phi is going to be 25 plus phi. How did I get theta plus phi? Because if you look at this total angle right here, the R and the N making, right? The total angle is theta plus phi, that's making with the vertical component. So if I connect this vertical component, like I'm moving this arrow to the top, so still the vertical is the angle between vertical components. So also you can imagine us extending this one, it's going to be the same thing. So that's how I got theta plus phi. And from this one we can find this R and F. So let's see how we can find it. So if I use cos theta plus phi, cos theta plus phi, I will get cos theta is what, adjacent over hypotenuse. In this case, adjacent is mg and hypotenuse is r. So cos theta plus phi is basically 25 plus 19.29, so it comes out to be 44.29. So cos 44.29. So let's write this one somewhere here to avoid confusions. 44.29. Why? Because 25 plus 19.29. So this is 44.29, and mg is 100. It's given, and over r. From this one I can calculate the r. R comes out to be, r is equal to 100 over cos 44.29, and it gives us r is equal to 139.7 Newton. So this is my r. Also I can find the f. In this case I can use tan theta plus phi, that's going to be opposite of adjacent. So tan theta plus phi is going to be equal to, opposite is f and adjacent is mg, so f over mg. From this one I can calculate the f. So f is going to be basically mg times tan theta plus phi is 44.29 tan 44.29. Also we know mg is 100 tan 44.29, and if you calculate you will get 97.55 Newton. Then from this information, let's see what we can do. So since we have n is equal to mg cos theta plus f sin theta, I can calculate that, but that's not a question. But since that's not a question, maybe what else we have? We have found f successfully, mg sin theta. So we didn't find mg sin theta yet. So mg sin theta is just a direct substitution. So it's going to be mg times sine 25. So 100 sine 25. That comes out to be 42.26 Newton. So that's we have found out, and we have found out R. We didn't find F cos theta yet, so we have the F right here. We can find the F cos theta by directly substituting. So it's going to be 9 F cos theta is equal to 97.55 cos 25, which is equal to 88.41 Newton. So we have found F cos theta. So friction force maximum. So friction force maximum, the equation is N mu s. It's given right here. So friction force maximum is equal to N mu x mu s. So N mu s is basically N is mg cos theta plus f sin theta, and mu s is given 0.35. We have mg cos theta and f sin, we have f and theta is already there. So if you substitute everything and calculate this value, it's going to become 46.15 Newton. So that's all we need to know. So we need to find out f, that's here. So let's put the box for everything. F is here, mg sin theta is here, then ff max is here, then we have f cos theta here, then they asked to find out r, that's here. That's all we need to find out, and that's it. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time. So let's put a check mark right here. Thank you for watching.